We all know the feeling. You're trying to eat healthier, but sometimes those leafy greens just don't excite you. What if I told you there's one tiny green packed with more punch than its size suggests? It's called watercress, and let me tell you, this is one green you don't want to skip. Watercress might look unassuming, but it's a true superhero for your health. From fighting cancer to boosting your energy, this little plant does it all. And the best part? It's delicious. So if you're ready to discover the power of this incredible green, keep watching. Your body will thank you. Watercress, with its peppery bite and delicate leaves, might seem like just another salad ingredient. But don't be fooled. This aquatic plant, often found growing near springs and streams, has been prized for centuries for its medicinal properties. Remember those old wives' tales about natural remedies? Well, watercress is one that actually lives up to the hype. It's brimming with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that your body craves. So the next time you're at the grocery store, don't just walk past the watercress. Grab a bunch and unleash its power in your kitchen. Cancer is a scary word, one that brings a wave of fear and uncertainty. It's a diagnosis that can change lives in an instant, leaving individuals and families grappling with a new reality. In our quest to protect ourselves and our loved ones, we often turn to lifestyle changes. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and stress management are all crucial components of a healthy life. But what if there were specific foods that could offer additional protection? Enter watercress, a humble leafy green that has been gaining attention for its potential cancer-fighting properties. While there's no magic bullet to prevent cancer, studies have shown that watercress contains unique compounds that may help combat cancer cells. These powerful antioxidants, found abundantly in watercress, work by neutralizing harmful free radicals in the body. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage DNA, leading to the development of cancer. By neutralizing these free radicals, antioxidants help protect our cells from damage. One particularly compelling study found that watercress was effective at inhibiting the growth of breast cancer cells. This finding has sparked interest in the scientific community, as breast cancer remains one of the most common cancers worldwide. Another study highlighted watercress's ability to help detoxify carcinogens, which are substances capable of causing cancer. By aiding in the detoxification process, watercress may further reduce the risk of cancer development. While more research is undoubtedly needed to fully understand the extent of watercress's benefits, the evidence so far is promising. Scientists and researchers continue to explore the potential of this leafy green, hoping to unlock more of its secrets. In the meantime, adding watercress to your diet is a simple yet powerful step towards a healthier you. Whether tossed in a salad, blended into a smoothie, or used as a garnish, this nutrient-packed green can be a valuable addition to your meals. Embrace the power of watercress and take a proactive step in your fight against cancer. Feeling puffy and uncomfortable? Watercress can help. This amazing plant acts as a natural diuretic, meaning it helps flush out excess water weight and reduce bloating. It does this by stimulating your kidneys to release more water through urine. But that's not all. Watercress also contains electrolytes, which are essential for maintaining proper fluid balance in the body. So, you get the benefits of a diuretic without the risk of electrolyte imbalance that can come with some medications. Next time you're feeling bloated, reach for some watercress and feel the difference. Stronger bones, bite by bite. We all want strong, healthy bones, especially as we age. Watercress is a surprisingly good source of vitamin K, a nutrient that plays a crucial role in bone health. Vitamin K helps your body absorb calcium, the building block of strong bones. But there's more. Watercress also contains calcium itself, along with other bone-boosting nutrients like magnesium and vitamin C. Adding this powerful green to your diet can help strengthen your bones and reduce your risk of osteoporosis later in life. Clear vision, thanks to watercress. Our eyes are one of the most vital organs in our body, allowing us to experience the world in all its vibrant colors and intricate details. Maintaining good eye health is essential for a high quality of life. Our eyes are precious, and we need to protect them. From the harmful rays of the sun to the blue light emitted by our digital devices, our eyes are constantly under threat. Simple habits like wearing sunglasses and taking regular breaks from screens can make a big difference. Did you know that watercress is a powerhouse of eye-healthy nutrients? This leafy green is not just a garnish, it's a nutritional treasure trove. Incorporating watercress into your diet can provide numerous benefits for your eyes. It's packed with lutein and zeaxanthin, two antioxidants that are concentrated in the macula, the part of your eye responsible for central vision. These nutrients are crucial for maintaining the health of the macula and ensuring sharp, clear vision. These powerful antioxidants protect your eyes from harmful blue light and oxidative stress, which can damage delicate eye tissues. In today's digital age, where we are constantly exposed to screens, the protective role of lutein and zeaxanthin cannot be overstated. Studies have shown that lutein and zeaxanthin can reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration, a leading cause of vision loss. This condition affects millions of people worldwide, making it difficult to read, drive, and recognize faces. So, eat your watercress and keep your eyes healthy for years to come. Whether you add it to salads, soups, or smoothies, this versatile green can be a delicious and nutritious addition to your meals. By making watercress a regular part of your diet, you can take a proactive step towards preserving your vision and enjoying a lifetime of clear sight. Watercress, the cholesterol buster. High cholesterol is a common problem, but it doesn't have to be with the right diet. Watercress can help lower your cholesterol naturally and effectively. It contains fiber, which binds to cholesterol in the digestive tract and prevents it from being absorbed into the bloodstream. But that's not all. Watercress also contains compounds that inhibit the production of cholesterol in the liver, further reducing your levels significantly. By including watercress in your diet, you can help manage your cholesterol levels and improve your heart health overall. Purifying your blood naturally. Our blood is responsible for carrying oxygen and nutrients throughout our bodies, so it's crucial to keep it clean. Watercress acts as a natural blood purifier thanks to its detoxifying properties. It contains antioxidants that neutralize harmful toxins and free radicals in the blood, protecting your cells from damage. Additionally, watercress supports liver function, which is essential for filtering toxins from the blood. By incorporating watercress into your diet, you're giving your body a helping hand in keeping your blood clean and healthy. Kidney stones, watercress to the rescue. Kidney stones are painful, and nobody wants to experience them. Watercress has long been used as a natural remedy for kidney stones, and for good reason. Its diuretic properties help flush out excess calcium and other minerals that can contribute to stone formation. Moreover, watercress contains compounds that may help dissolve existing kidney stones, making them easier to pass. While it's essential to consult with your doctor if you have kidney stones, adding watercress to your diet can be a helpful preventive measure and a natural way to support your kidney health. Boosting immunity, the watercress way. In today's world, a strong immune system is more important than ever. With the ongoing challenges posed by various health threats, it's crucial to find natural ways to enhance our body's defenses. One such way is through our diet, and watercress stands out as a powerful ally. Watercress is packed with immune-boosting nutrients, including vitamin C, vitamin A, and antioxidants. This leafy green is not only delicious, but also a nutritional powerhouse. Incorporating it into your meals can be a simple yet effective strategy to bolster your immune system. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that supports the production of white blood cells, which are your body's first line of defense against infections. These cells are essential for identifying and neutralizing harmful invaders like bacteria and viruses. By consuming foods rich in vitamin C, such as watercress, you can help ensure your immune system is functioning optimally. Vitamin A plays a crucial role in maintaining the health of your mucous membranes, which act as barriers against pathogens. These membranes line your respiratory and digestive tracts, providing a protective layer that helps prevent infections from taking hold. Including vitamin A-rich foods like watercress in your diet can help keep these barriers strong and effective. And of course, the antioxidants in watercress help neutralize free radicals, further strengthening your immune system. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage cells and contribute to aging and disease. Antioxidants help to stabilize these molecules, reducing their harmful effects and supporting overall health. Make watercress a regular part of your diet to give your immune system the support it needs. Whether you add it to salads, blend it into smoothies, or use it as a garnish, there are countless ways to enjoy this versatile green. By making small, consistent changes to your diet, you can significantly impact your health and well-being. So, next time you're at the grocery store, don't forget to pick up some watercress and start reaping its many benefits. Power up your workouts with watercress. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting your fitness journey, watercress can give you an edge. This amazing green is a good source of nitrates, compounds that can enhance athletic performance. Nitrates are converted into nitric oxide in the body, which helps improve blood flow to muscles, delivering more oxygen and nutrients. This means you can work out harder for longer and recover faster. Additionally, watercress is a good source of electrolytes, which are lost through sweat during exercise. Replenishing your electrolytes with watercress can help prevent muscle cramps and fatigue. A healthy heart. One watercress salad at a time. Heart disease is a leading cause of death worldwide, but there's a lot we can do to protect our hearts. Watercress is a heart-healthy superstar. We already talked about its cholesterol-lowering abilities, but its benefits for your heart don't stop there. Watercress is also a good source of potassium, a mineral that helps lower blood pressure, reducing strain on your heart. It also contains nitrates, which improve blood flow and reduce the risk of blood clots. By incorporating watercress into your diet, you can give your heart the love it deserves. Remember, the information provided in this video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. Always consult with your doctor before making any changes to your diet or health regimen. So there you have it. Watercress is a true nutritional powerhouse, offering a wide range of health benefits. From fighting cancer to boosting your energy and protecting your heart, this amazing green deserves a place on your plate. Share this valuable information with your loved ones, and stay tuned for more exciting health tips.